Well, we're at jackpot day 2. I didn't get in the running. Did you get in the running?
What?
Are you in the running?
No, no.
We're not in the running.
Yeah!
No. What? Which one's Tony?
That's mine. That one's Tony.
Say, this is for you, Roger.
This is for you, Roger. You son of a... That's mine.
That's out? Are you out, Tony?
No, this is mine as well.
All right. I've got 2 contenders.
That's mine.
2 contenders.
Oh, okay. You're saying that one was a spot.
My tail would have stunk it.
Baby, let's see. The fuckers look big.
Help me out.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous fishing. August 2011.
Yep, right here. Thank you much.
What's going on back here, man? What's going on? You trying to pick another contender?
You in there so far?
Oh, no, I'm out.
You're out?
Yeah.
Damn it. Hold it. That's not even. Keep y'all's hands even. There you go, that one. Yep. Easy.
Now hook that one on there.
Which one's the weight?
No, this one is not.
That one don't count.
Uh-oh. Yep.
True fish.
Good catch.
Yeah, I caught that one.
Yeah.
No, that's super.
Yeah, I caught that one.
Let's see. Whoa, dead even. Look at this, y'all. What is this? Hold on. There we go. Hold on. Let's get it close. That's even. Hold on. You guys got to hold it for a second, man. That's dead fucking. This one.
This one, it has a broken tail.
Yep.
The one on the right.
The one on the right.
Yeah, this one here.
The one on the right.
It has a broken tail.
Yep.
That's it. That one right there. The one broke
This
tail
one. Broke tail one.
That's it, huh?
Yep.
That it?
Whoa. Got another one.
Hang on. Leave that hook in that one. Not that one, Stevie.
Which one's heavier?
This one on the right. You have to put this one on now. GOS video is instructing them.
Hey, right here. Don't step on that tail. You're gonna lose your contest. That's what he wants.
Let's go. Whoa. Easy. On the left.
There we go.
On the left.
Another new one. Got a new
Only
one.
on the left side. New one.
Hey, here comes another one.
Uh-oh.
Almost, baby.
It's not G-rated.
How many? 6 or 8. I don't know. Did you count them?
Who's the owner of the beast? Who's the owner? Raise your hands.
Me.
Huh? That's you?
Yeah.
Say something. Tell him.
That's
What do you
my
want with
beater.
your head? That's your baby?
Still
Whoa.
You still got it.
Yeah, that's easy.
Another one. This one here's a baby.
I don't know. I think you got him.
I think I do.
I think you
He's
got
got belly. Mine's got belly.
Yeah.
Bon belly.
Stuff them rocks in there.
Bon belly.
Whoa! No, whoa. Get up higher. Up the ground. You guys got to be dead even. Your hands got to be dead even. Yeah, he's got him. The winner. Congratulations. Wait a minute. Any more? Who next? Uh-oh. Oh, those don't count. Uh-oh. We got a contender. No. This one maybe. No, that doesn't count. Move this guy out.
Oh, there's one more. Uh-oh.
I think he got it.
This guy's mad.
It's still going on. You better tell him to stop this madness. It's still going on.
There you go, man.
Yeah.
That's close.
That's close, dude. You guys got to weigh them. You guys got to weigh those.
Where's it at?
Hey.
Hey, where's the scale?
We got another one.
Where's the scale?
Did you give up?
Where's the scale?
There we go. There we go. Step up.
Come on, Richie. Richie.
You guys got to hold them up.
Someone's got to take a picture.
I got the camera going. This is recording video.
Tuna.
Can't break it. We can't break it.
You just press the button right there.
Oh, the man's weighing his own fish. That sounds like a bite. I don't know. Do the rules allow that? Let's go, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, good try. You look. That's a nice little girl, though. That's a nice little girl. That's her boyfriend. That's her boyfriend. Congrats, dude. Congrats.
Hey, Richie.
Who want more? Is that it? GOS. One more time. The winner. The winner.
Got another contender. No. Oh, God, no.
No, I don't see it happening.
I don't know. I don't know, man.
I don't. Mine's fatter.
Yeah, it's fatter.
He's got the bird. Yeah.
That's a nice fish, though, bro. That is a nice fish.
Yeah, we need to get it into 1960.
Let's go inside the GOS knapsack for a second.
Broken tail or not? I'm close.
Yeah. That's just one of them. See y'all later with more fillets.